So I get always asked, what is the biggest thing or most important thing when you're running traffic? Like how you can make $2,000 or $1,000 days. And if you're watching my YouTube channel, you should know that there are many different affiliate programs that I have been mentioning along the way, right? And it's not just about affiliate programs, but it's about the skill set, coaching and mentorship, having someone to basically guide you through step by step along the way and show you the ropes, right, of how it's done. So basically you need someone to guide you through, but remember, it's all about having the offer, first thing, then you have to have the audience, right, in the niche where people are already willingly spending money, right, hand over fist every single day. So basically it means in niches like wealth, make money online, weight loss, supplements, diet, keto, diabetes, cancer, dating, right, relationship, marriage, divorce, breakup. All of these niches are really great. Why? Because there is a big emotional pain, people are having problems, and they're willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. Now you need to be confident. You need to just take action and go for it, right? If you are procrastinating, it's stupid. Why? Because you're just waiting for something to fall from the sky and happen for you. If you're afraid to invest the money, believe me, if you're afraid to invest $5,000, if you're afraid to invest $3,000, you will never have $30,000. Why? Because you are projecting your mindset of scarcity into the universe. Basically, I know maybe you're thinking this woo-woo stuff right now, Tim talking about, but it's true. Believe me, I've been there, right? I've been there. I know how it feels when you're about to spend $5,000 and you don't know if you're going to get it back. But remember this, one idea can change your life forever. Why? Because maybe in a course or the mentorship, right, nothing else matters. It's all crap, maybe. But one thing, maybe, it's aha moment. It shows you, I will take this idea, this copy, this email, this ad, apply it. Oh, now I get the results. Oh, now I have $10,000 days or months, right? It works like that. Of course, it will work like this. But if you stick to it, if you just go through it, right, something will eventually happen. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, click the link below this video, get in touch with me one-on-one, right? Ask me questions if you want to get results with affiliate marketing and having results online, right? It's all about having someone to guide you through step by step and show the ropes, show the way of how it's done, right? Step by step, sustainable way of making money online with affiliate marketing. So don't wait, please click the subscribe button over here and like button over here so you can get more people to watch this video and get more support, one-on-one help with making money online passively, right? Passive income with affiliate marketing. Any network, ClickBank, MaxWeb, doesn't matter, right? There are many different networks. What matters is having someone to show you the ropes step by step along the way so that you can go and create the life you desire for yourself, right? And for your family and people you love. So again, thank you for watching this video. Click the link below this video, reach out to me one-on-one, and I will help you succeed.